What is up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today in this video we're going to talk about overall stock market and see what the market did today and where the market is heading going into tomorrow, Thursday. But before we dive into this video, if you are new to the channel, consider subscribing, and if you like this kind of content, drop a like. That really helps out with YouTube algorithm, and 50 plus likes on this video would be greatly appreciated guys. And if you find my videos are helpful and you want to get more access with me throughout the day, get all my real-time buy and sell alerts, whatever investment that I make in the real time, I share all that in my Discord. Consider joining the Patreon and the Discord. I'll leave a link down below in the description. And now let's dive right into the market. Dow is up 1.5%, Nasdaq up also 1.42%, and S&P up 1.34% on the day. And if you look at these groups, energy on top, industrials, consumer cyclical, technology, financial, and also communication services. And also if you take a look at this map here guys, everything is pretty much green in the market. Apple up 2.31%, Nvidia up 2.5%, Google up almost 1%, Meta up, Amazon up 2%, and Tesla barely up on the day also, and Microsoft also up 1% on the day. And now we're going to look at SPY S&P 500 ETF. So here on SPY, on this hourly chart, we got a gap right around 389. We also got a gap at 397. So I think going into next week, we could possibly see SPY going all the way up to 389, 390 even. And only if we can break 390, even this gap up here, which is sitting right around 397.60, we could see SPY filling this gap up here as well, and that could come early next year and then followed by a dump off. Now SPY also gapped up today, so we got a gap down here at 381, so watch out going into tomorrow guys. And let's go back to the daily chart. If you look at it, I've been calling it out. I did not cover the market yesterday that we're getting extremely oversold, and so far SPY did not break 378, 380, so we could see a dead cat bounce, and where we could go here on SPY 385, possibly up to even 388, and we got very close to it today, 387.41, and now we are holding actually 385 as a support, red line 50 SMA, and looks like we're up $5.38 as of right now. But look at this low volume guys. So all the big boys, the big money, they're on vacation. They won't come back until I would say after New Year, and then we could see this gap getting filled at some point on top and then followed by a dump off, and SPY will be making new lows in the market. Now going into tomorrow, if we can hold 385 as a support, looks like we're holding, we could see a move all the way up to 389 to even 390, and only if 390 breaks, then watch out for possibly filling the gap all the way up to 397.60. Below 385, now we also have support at 383.51, blue line 5 SMA, and below that all the way down to 380, and then big support at 378. And now we're going to look at triple Q. So triple Q also up 1.5%, and this one also getting a dead cat bounce. So if you're thinking we're going back into bull market and this is gonna be a massive rally, I don't think that is going to be the case guys. This is just a dead cat bounce. I mean, look at this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th day in a row sold off from the top, and now we're just seeing a dead cat bounce. And this dead cat right here, triple Q, cannot even move up to 275, 280, so it's not over yet. Yes, we could possibly see more upside, maybe back up to 277, 278, possibly up to even 280, and that is it. We're going to see another dump off right around 277 to 280 if we can get up here, and then that would follow by a dump off all the way down to 268, and then breaking down under 268 and going all the way down to even 260. And next year, I said it before, at some point we're going to see SPY, triple Q, and also DIA, all the indices making new 52-week lows. And now we're going to have a look at DIA, which is also up 1.5% on the day. And thanks to Boeing and Caterpillar, guys. Boeing is up again 4% on the day. And let me show you guys what's happening here on Boeing. And that's why this thing is up. We got a bullish crossover here on this MACD on this monthly chart. So that's why this thing is pumping, and also some good catalyst helping it now closer to almost 200. Now nobody wanted Boeing at 120, and now a lot of people I see buying calls at 190, 188 and trying to make money. This is not a buy zone here on Boeing. If you're buying, be careful. Soon as we get that dump off, this thing can come back down again, back down to even 160, 150 in the short term. Now if you look at DIA, that's why DIA is pumping, and also Caterpillar, another stock. And this one here, guys, going into tomorrow, we found strong support at 326. Now we're going back up, but look at this, 335 big resistance, 337, 340. I think we might go up to even 340. If this rally continues to the upside, this dead cat bounce, we could possibly see 340, and then DIA would be coming back down, taking out 326 and going lower all the way down to 318, and then possibly even lower. So going into tomorrow, now we have support at 330, 326. We have resistance at 335 and also 337, white line 20 SMA, and then 340, which is a big resistance here on DIA. And now we're going to look at IWM, Russell 2000 ETF. On Russell 2000 ETF, we're up 1.5%, and this is also getting a dead cat bounce with low volume on everything. So this one here possibly can move up to, look at this. Now we're holding actually 175 as a support where we got rejected before. If that holds, we could see a move all the way up to 178 to even 180. But below 178, we could be coming all the way back down to 175, 174, blue line 5 SMA, and soon as that gives up, we're going back down to 170 and then possibly even lower all the way down to 165 to even 160. And now we're going to look at VIX. On VIX, we're down again close to 6% on the day, and this thing went under actually $20 and now sitting at 20.26 at this moment. So this one gives up 20. Just like I said before, we could see VIX coming all the way down to 19 and possibly form a double bottom, and then we could see an explosion here on VIX, and then we're going to see a pullback, a deeper pullback in the market going into sometime next year. So VIX here going into tomorrow, if you're looking for the support, we got a strong support at 20, and below that, watch out for $19. Above 20, if there is a bounce, watch out for the resistance at 21.91, 5 SMA on this daily chart, and if that breaks, 23, 24, 25, 26, all the way up to 26.34. On dollar, we are flat on the day and still holding 104 as a support. Now this thing can hold 104 as a support. We're going to see a move back up to 104.42, 5 SMA on this daily chart, and as soon as we break 104.42, more upside all the way up to 105, and that's been the breakout point here on dollar. We need to get above 105, and then we could possibly see a move all the way up to 106 to even 107 in the short term. Downside support 103, and below that, watch out down here. That would be right around 103.45 where we held before. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Watch those levels going into tomorrow, and I'll definitely keep you guys updated. Have a great night, everybody.